Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 1 of the Beginner English Speaking series. This series will guide you step by step from basic speaking skills to real life conversations. In English, polite communication isn't optional. It is expected. The way you speak affects how people treat you. And simple polite phrases can completely change the tone of a conversation. Today's lesson explains when to use each phrase, how to use them correctly, and what mistakes to avoid so you sound confident and respectful in any situation. Let's start with the foundation of polite communication, 7 essential polite phrases. First, I would appreciate it if you could. This phrase is used to make a request sound extremely respectful and professional. Example sentences. First sentence, I would appreciate it if you could send me the details. Second, I would appreciate it if you could speak a little slower. This expression shows respect without sounding demanding. Second phrase, thank you for your patience. This phrase is highly polite when someone is waiting for you or helping you for some time. Example sentences. First sentence, thank you for your patience while I search for the document. Second sentence, thank you for your patience. I'm almost done. It shows gratitude and respect for someone's time. Third phrase, I understand. Let me fix it. Most beginners overuse sorry, but this phrase solves problems politely and confidently. Example sentences. First sentence, I understand. Let me fix the mistake. Sentence 2, I understand. Let me check that again. It takes responsibility without sounding weak or emotional. Fourth phrase, please. Please is used when requesting something politely. Example sentences. First sentence, could you repeat that please? Second sentence, can I have a glass of water please? Tone makes a big difference. A soft voice makes please sound polite. Fifth phrase, thank you or thanks. It is used to show appreciation when someone helps or gives information. Example sentences. First sentence, thank you for helping me. Second sentence, thanks for the update. You can reply to thank you with you are welcome. Phrase 6, excuse me. It is used to get someone's attention politely. Example sentences. First sentence, excuse me, can you tell me where the library is? Second sentence, excuse me, may I sit here? This phrase prevents interruptions from sounding rude. Phrase 7, sorry. It is used to apologize for mistakes or misunderstandings. Example sentences. First sentence: Sorry, I did not hear you. Second sentence: Sorry, I gave the wrong information. A simple apology plus quick solution always sounds polite. These 7 phrases help you express request, gratitude, attention, responsibility, and respect. Even a beginner becomes more confident when people respond politely because of polite language. These phrases don't require advanced vocabulary, but they instantly upgrade how others perceive you. In the next lesson, we will learn how to introduce ourselves naturally, your name, origin, job, and how to ask and answer simple personal questions confidently. To continue your English journey smoothly, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and follow each lesson in order of the series. See you in the next lesson, Basic Introductions. Let's learn, grow, and speak confidently together. Thank you so much. Until then, keep learning